make your way into a child's pose. With your knees wide, big toes together, arms long out in front of you, forehead resting on the mat. Take a few deep breaths in and out through your nose to relax. This is a grounding posture, a place where you can release unnecessary tension, flexing or gripping in your legs, hips, back and shoulders, even in the tiniest muscles in your face. All the while, your breath will become smooth and deep in and out through your nose. And rise up as you make your way into downward facing dog. Feel free to bend your knees as much as you like in this first down dog. With your hands gripping into the mat, fingers fanned out wide, press your chest towards your thighs and reach your hips high and back. To help your legs warm up, try bending one knee and then the other. Then settle into your downward facing dog, and to get deeper into our calves, place your left toes on your right heel. And give just a gentle assist, enough where you can feel a lengthening in your right calf. Breathe. Then switch sides, replace your left foot back down and place your right toes on your left heel, giving just a little assist, enough so you feel a lengthening in your left calf. Great. Come back to your downward facing dog. Take a big breath in, a big breath out. Now walk your feet towards the top of your mat, settling into a deep forward fold. With a generous bend in your knees, you can keep your feet hip distance if that's more comfortable. Arms long and heavy, neck is relaxed. Let your breath travel up and down your spine as your lower back relaxes and you settle deeper into this fold. For about 3 of those deep breaths. From here, crouch down, hips to heels, and you can use your hands to support you on the mat, but tuck your chin and then relax your shoulders. And again, let your breath travel up and down your spine, creating space. From here, drive your heels down into the mat and shift your weight forward just slightly so you can feel a lengthening in your Achilles and calves. Then, using your hands to support you, come all the way up onto the ball mounts of your feet, pressing your ankles forward so you can feel a lengthening in the arches of your feet. This is a very delicate but strong area of the body, so do not push past your edge. Come right up to the edge and then back off a little bit, enough so you can breathe and relax. Now very slowly and mindfully, alternate between lengthening your calves by driving your heels down and lengthening your arches by lifting your heels up. We'll be here for about 30 seconds. Great. Now come into hero pose. Shift your weight forward, sitting on your shins, hips on your heels. And if you need a little bit of support, you can always sit on top of a block or your prop. With your knees together, hips relaxed, sit up tall through the crown of your head. Adding cow-facing arms, reach your right arm up to the ceiling and then behind you as if you were trying to scratch your upper back. Then reach your left arm down towards the ground, then bend at the elbow so that you can work on getting your fingers together to touch. Chin is parallel to the ground. Jaws relaxed. 3, 2, 1. Gently release, shrug your shoulders, shake it out, and then switch sides. Left arm reaches up and behind. Right arm reaches down and behind. Whether or not you can get your fingers to touch, who cares? Just sit up tall. Three, 2, 1. Release and make your way to downward facing dog. Hands strong on the mat, hips reaching high and back. Settle in. And then lower your hips down into a child's pose. Arms out long in front of you, forehead rests on the mat, hips to your heels. Exhale everything out of your lungs. And take an even deeper inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Adding on, walk your left hand past the left side of your mat, and then walk your right hand over to meet it, lengthening out your entire right side body. Feel your breath create space between each rib. No need to strain for a deeper stretch. It's with relaxation and an awareness of your breath that you'll get the most out of these postures. So walk your hands back to center and switch sides. Walk your right hand past the right side of your mat, then walk your left hand over to meet it. Settle in, find your breath, and feel space lengthening between each rib on your left side. Even your jaw is relaxed. The muscles around your eyes are soft as you feel your smooth breath passing in and out through your nose. Walk your hands back to center. Take a few deep breaths in and out through your nose to relax.